Chapter 5: Concepts of Database Fields and Records. Rules for naming the fields. The rules while naming a field in a table are: 1. The field name should not be more than 64 characters. 2. The field name can include lowercase, uppercase or mixed case letters, numbers and an underscore. 3. It cannot have a full stop, exclamation mark, or square brackets. 4. It cannot start with a blank space. Entering data in a table. The next step after defining the table structure is to add field name to the table. To add the field names, follow the steps. Step 1, click the table where the data has to be entered. Step 2, on the Home tab, in the Views group, click the View drop-down arrow. Step 3, select Design View option from the drop-down menu. The table opens in the Design View. Step 4, enter the field name. Step 5, press the Tab key to move to the Data Type column. Step 6, click on the drop-down arrow in the Data Type column and select a data type. Step 7, similarly, enter other field names and their data types. Understanding field data types. A data type refers to the type of data which can be stored in a column of a table. Various data types in Microsoft Access 2016 have been listed in the table. Data type is short text data stored as alphabets and numbers, up to 255 characters. Data type is long text or memo data stored as letters and numbers, up to 65,535 characters. 1 GB used for remarks. Data type is number data stored as only numbers. Data type is date or time data stored as date and time data. Data type is currency data stored as currency data. Data type is auto number data stored as automatically generated numbers, example numbers in a list. Data type is yes or no data stored as logical values, yes or no. Data type is hyperlink. It is used to store hyperlink, for example, http://publications.com. Data type is OLE, object. It is used to attach an OLE, object linking and embedding, object such as a Word document, Excel worksheet or PowerPoint presentation. Setting the primary key. Each table must have only one column set as primary key. The primary key is a unique identifier for a record. This field can never be blank. The primary key is a unique value for that column and hence, it cannot be the same for two records. Example, patient_ID, doctor_ID, student_ID are primary keys. This is because in each table, these fields will have a unique number. To set a field as a primary key, follow the steps. Step 1, click on the field which you want to make the primary key. Step 2, on the Design tab, in the Tools group, click the Primary Key button. The primary key is visible only in Design View. Observe a small key icon before the name of the field. This indicates the presence of the primary key in that field. Step 3, save the table. Inserting data. Once the data types of columns are set, then you are ready to enter the records. To add records to a table, open the Tables in Datasheet view. It is the default view of a table. It shows the records and allows you to add or modify the records in a table. To insert records in a table, follow the steps. Step 1, on the Design tab, in the Views group, click the View drop-down arrow. Step 2, select Datasheet view. The table opens in the Datasheet view. Step 3, enter the value in the field, press the Tab key to enter a value in the field. Similarly, enter data in the remaining fields. To switch between the views of a table. The Datasheet view is used to view, add, delete, and edit data in a table. After a table is opened, one can easily switch between the two views by clicking the View group on the Design tab. Note, the Design view is used to create and modify the structure of a table.